Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for November 15th of 2025 is titled Andromeda and Friends. So what do we see here? Well, here we see prominently a spiral galaxy, and that is known as M31, or more commonly known as the Andromeda Galaxy, which, as you may guess, located in the constellation of Andromeda in the northern skies. Now, it is a spiral galaxy, much like our own Milky Way, and we can see the distinct spiral arms spiraling around the central region with a central core there, which would harbor a supermassive black hole like most other galaxies. And then within the spiral arms, we can see the dust lanes as well as the bluish glow from hot star clusters and the red glow of hydrogen gas within the galaxy itself. Now, around the galaxy, we can see some other things, including more of a red glow. Now, that red glow isn't associated with Andromeda. The red glow within the spiral arms is hydrogen gas in the Andromeda galaxy. But the fainter red glow all around the image is actually gas much closer to us. And that is just foreground gas that happens to be in the same direction as Andromeda. And it is glowing with that same red glow that we see. So what are the friends of Andromeda? Well, we see two other galaxies here, actually known as elliptical galaxies, one of which is known as M32, just to the left of the Andromeda galaxy, and then below and to the right of the Andromeda galaxy, we see M110. So all of these are three of the objects in Charles Messier's catalog of objects that were not comets. These were cataloged back in the 1700s, identifying prominent things that didn't look like individual stars, but were not comets that people were searching for at the time. Now, the two elliptical galaxies are actually satellite galaxies of the Andromeda galaxy. So they would orbit around the galaxy, much as we have satellite galaxies, such as the Magellanic Clouds around our own Milky Way. So galaxies tend not to be alone, they tend to group, and many of the larger galaxies do have smaller satellite galaxies, such as the ones we see here. And over time, the satellite galaxies will often merge with the much larger galaxy. So as they move in closer, they will eventually can get torn apart. Now that process can take many billions of years. So we're still seeing some of them that may have been around here for a long time. But over time, they tend to merge with the larger galaxy as tidal forces of the larger galaxy will rip apart the smaller galaxies when they happen to come too close. So that was our picture of the day for November 15th of 2025. It was titled Andromeda and Friends. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Crossing the Plane. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.